Hello everyone, this video is exclusively for to grow Facebook page followers or likes. So I have tried one ad campaign. It is actually working. So that's why I'm just making this video and revealing the strategy. So I first of all I want to discuss a strategy. Strategy is all about going broad audience, completely India, and I haven't target anything. I just target by age range, and we do have keep posted 4 to 5 videos earlier before started this mm, ad, like a Facebook page wala ad. So uh, I have used the sorry, I have used 4 to 5 videos. Let me show that campaign so that you would be get complete idea. Okay, so right, so you can see here, it has been only 3 days from December 11th to today. You can see December 13th. So within 3 days we got 72 followers on our Facebook page. So the cost per lead is like 3.71 rupees. That is very good actually. So let me open this campaign. Before starting this campaign, we do have like only you can see 2 followers. I actually make the screenshot and keep it for safety purpose. Okay, two followers we do have as of now. With my campaign we got 72 followers, I guess. Right, you can see the creative, like the objective we just choose engagement. Okay, for the engagement objective, we don't do anything in the campaign level, and in the ad set level I just want to show you I keep only 150 rupees per day, and the conversion location is Instagram or Facebook. The performance goal is maximize number of pages likes. We'll try to deliver your ads to the right people to help you get more page likes at the lowest cost. So this is the main performance goal you need to select. And the page I have selected this already by default, and daily budget 150 rupees. And the location you can see I have targeted the whole India, and you can see the age range I have targeted 24 to 65, and the detail targeting I won't target anyone, because the cost per follower will be get increased when I used to target any keyword. Okay, and the placement is advantage placements. I have used 4 videos, and these are completely manual setup videos. Okay, you can see I have keep the primary text and manually posted the video on the ads manager and create this ad. So that type of ads will actually working. You can see we have 4 videos actually worked. Every video is worked. So 30 followers for this page, sorry, for this video, and 22 for this, 10 for this. Let me open the chart as well. So 30 followers you can see here for this one. 484 video plays, 5 seconds average play, hook rate is 45, hold rate is 55. That is great because our video is very good, and our video is reaching to to the age range of gender destination is men 25, who is like more than 25 age range, just starting from the 25, and 55 age range men's are watching. Right, this is insane. Women's are watching very little bit very low, and the platforms you can see which platforms the ad is. It is not showing data. mm, okay, let me test every mobile version first. That is actually not showing, no issues. But you can see we got almost 72 followers, and you can see in the page, it is actually 79 followers. Wow, awesome man. So that's how this campaign will work. So every time I make videos which are actually work for me to get you good results for your business, and to save your time, energy, and to get good results, because I'm not posting any video which is not for not worked for me, because I want you to be get good results, you to be get very good content which is premium content for free. So that's why, and Fayas signing off.